Let me check Rohit. It is available. Let us run once again. Now I give Dhoni, player not found. Hello everyone, welcome back. From this class we are going to start dictionary programs, searching from a dictionary. Let us understand the question. Initialize a dictionary having key as player name and score as value. Search a key and display its value from the dictionary. If key is not found, display player not found. Let us open Python. Command line, searching from a dictionary. We need to initialize a dictionary. I take ODI is equal to player name here, Sachin, his run 18426. Next item, we can continue in the same line, otherwise we can also give in the next line. It will be easy for us to write if it is in the next line, and even we can debug. So I hit enter. Virat 14181. Next item, Ganguly 11363. Next item, Rohit 11168. So there are 4 items. Now if this is a dictionary, our main program is to search the value by giving the key which are names of the player. Let us take the input for player search. Player is equal to input of cricket player So as usual we will have one variable which will be false in the beginning. F&D I give is equal to false. For k in ODI, usually we give I. Here to mention key I have given k. So we are going to match that player with key. So if k is equal to player, then we are going to just print the key and value. Print k. So this is key. So to print the value, we will give the dictionary name, that is ODI. In the square bracket, we will give the key again. So it means the value of the key. Now we will turn this F&D to true. Once if it is finding, we can break, otherwise it will be traversing to the last. So I give now break. If F&D remains false, then we can print player not found. If F&D equal to false, print player not found. Let us check the program. Let me check Rohit. It is available. Let us run once again. Now I give Dhoni, player not found. Hope this was very clear to you. Let us meet in the next class. Keep watching my channel, keep practicing, keep learning, keep sharing. Thank you.